Hello, I am excited to share that I have been selected in Precision Group with the package of 2.88 LPA. I am Pratiksha Paralikar from Amravati Maharashtra. I have completed my bachelor's degree 2023 from Sant Gadge Amravati University. While searching for a job, my friend was recommended me Evision Technoserve Private Limited. It is a IT consultancy and recruitment company. I joined their full-day job internship program with the help of experienced mentor. I learned important skills like ITIL, Linux, networking, cybersecurity, Windows administration, and troubleshooting. The trainer was excellent with the regular sessions, mock interviews, and hands-on practice, which gives me real-time job experience. The trainer were very supportive throughout my journey. I am thankful to Evision Technoserve for this opportunity, and I highly recommended it to job seekers who are looking for a good training and career guidance. Thank you.